everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be reviewing the maple plywood from Glowforge, the proofgrade material. So first starting off, like always, I just have a scrap piece here. It comes pre-masked, and a 12 by 20 sheet is the standard sheet, but you can get like pass-through size. And then if you pull off the masking tape, as you can see, there's the color of it here. And then it does come with this label that's on this barcode that's already stuck on the sheet. As you can see, I cut through that here. I'm not going to pull out a full sheet just because I'm sure you guys know that 12 by 20, what that looks like. So let's move that out of the way and we'll jump right into the projects here that you can make with it and go over like pricing and different things that I like. So let's just cover pricing, get that out of the way. So for your 1/8 inch material, 12 by 20 sheet is $16, and the 1/4 inch material, 12 by 20 sheet is $20. So there's the pricing for Glowforge's price there on their website. Let's jump into the projects here. As you can see, this is way better at photo engraving in my opinion than the walnut. It shows up way better with that lighter background. And then here's a really detailed one of a boat here. Hopefully that focus is okay for you guys. So the photo engraving is great. I love that. And then let's talk about some boxes here. So here's just a little box that I made. It works great for the joints. You can get real tight joints on there, so there's no glue used in here. And then if you pop this open, I made like a little custom slide mechanism that I've never really seen anybody else do. I really like this this kind of style here, because then you can just slide the lid off and on, make sure that it doesn't actually pop off. As you can see, I've got a lot of my spare acrylic circles in here, so that's why I put spare parts on top here. But yeah, you can just slide that back into place and then it locks right back in. So it works great for those hinges, the boxes, photo engraves, and then as you've seen at the start here, I've got the actual shadow boxes. These are like one of my favorite projects to do. They're super unique and super cool, and you can kind of tailor them to anybody. This is probably my favorite one, is the fire department here. I went ahead, oops, flipped it the wrong way. There you go. So I put engravings on the side. I have the 3 layers inside here, and then as you can see, you can get real good depth. I have the flames behind, the mask, and then flames up front to give that depth to it. So those are super cool. I'll show you 2 others here. There's the North Pole one. This is another one of my favorites. You can see the snow in the background, the sign and Santa all in the depth there. So that's really cool. And then another one that I really enjoyed was this fairground one. So you've got like the Ferris wheel, the roller coaster, and then the carousel up front here. So that's pretty cool. And then I've got the little one ride tickets on the side, so kind of like the admission to ride these rides. So that's pretty cool. That'll be a big seller at fairgrounds. So that's pretty much it. So let's get into the rating here and what I think of this. So with maple plywood, I really like this. I would give it probably a 9.5 out of 10. Reason being is the only thing that could really make it better, in my opinion, would be if it was a little bit cheaper in cost. I think it used to be slightly cheaper, but then they had to up the cost, and then they replaced it with the basswood for that lower cost there. So that's my opinion on it. This stuff is great. It works great for boxes, photo engraving, pretty much everything that I've thrown at it, it's done really well. So that's my rating for it, is 9.5 out of 10. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like this, and let me know if this helped you out. And we'll catch you guys next time.